Cooking in the kitchen, cooking in the kitchen, always cooking in the kitchen.
Welcome back.
Welcome back indeed. We're back here in action in our kitchen. Shall we introduce ourselves?
Sure. Hi, my name is Morgan, Jodi's best cooking partner.
And I'm Jodi, the library director for Carver County. We've been doing this for quite a while now, haven't we? Several years.
Yeah.
So we're back featuring another recipe today, of course, for Carver County Library.
Yes, definitely.
Super excited because it's super easy. What's coming up?
The Super Bowl.
That's right. So we're going with a Super Bowl theme today. But before we get to that, just want to share some info about what's happening at the library these days.
Yes.
Do you know what's happening at the library these days?
A lot of stuff. I mean,
a lot of stuff, absolutely. Here is our winter program brochure happening right here and now at all of our branches. Right now, especially, we've got adult winter reads program. So, in the summer, when youth, you can write the book reviews and win great prizes.
Yep.
For kids in the summer. Guess who gets to do that in the winter?
Huh.
Adults. Hello.
Sorry, slipped my mind. I mean, us kids, we're the main characters.
Oh boy. Well, adults need their moments to shine too. So
I guess so.
Stop in at our branches and register if you haven't already done so. We've also got some great author talks coming up. Coming up in February on Facebook Live, we have Sally Franson. And Daniel Hornsby is going to moderate that for us, which is going to be fantastic. We have Marcy Rendon on also in February coming up on Facebook Live. And then
Can I say one more?
Oh, sure.
Ellie Palmer is coming. Oh.
Well, here's the thing. I think Ellie Palmer is already up and out there. So if you haven't caught Ellie Palmer, because she already happened, you could watch it on our socials. So check that out. This one, you know me and my romance novels.
I do.
We've got the Tropes and Trifles Romance Bookshop. They're going to be doing a Let's Talk Romance session for us.
Yes.
Coming up very soon, actually.
Yeah, February 3rd. So get them now.
That's right. Plan it. Get it on your calendar.
Yeah.
And those are all on our website, on our LibCal calendar, www.carverlib.org. So, okay. Well, back to the main event here. So, but yes, please stop in. We've got lots of fantastic things happening to keep you busy throughout this cold winter season.
Yes, even though February is short, this recipe will last you a while.
Absolutely. Okay, so let's talk about this latest recipe book we found. Where'd we find it?
Obviously, Carver County Library.
Well, right. And then is it a print book or is it an ebook?
It's an ebook on the Libby app.
We love Libby. Yes. So it's on the Libby app and the name of the book is so funny. Big Dip Energy.
Guess what it's gonna be? Dips.
Dips. It's diptastic.
No pun intended.
Okay, so we are gonna go with Big Dip Energy. Super fun book. The author is big on personality. So there's lots of fun, little funny things happening throughout the entire book.
Yes.
But we're going with one of the more OG. Is that what they say? The OG recipes?
Original,
thank you. What are we making today?
We are making Cranch Dip.
Cranch Dip? Please explain that to me.
Might I add? Well, why did I hold up the bowl? But we are making Cranch Dip, which is a ranch dip that has cream cheese.
Get it? The C with the ranch. Cranch Dip. That's kind of cringy, isn't it? All right, so we're gonna make Cranch Dip. The author gives you tons of ideas, like different variations of this dip. We're gonna do one slight variation with ours to not only ranch seasoning.
We are going to add some everything bagel seasoning.
So it should be extra, a little extra zip to it.
I don't know about you, but I love this seasoning. So
a little extra zip to the dip. Okay, well, let's get rolling.
Yes, and also we decided instead of mayo, we were gonna do sour cream.
Yes.
We are a big family on sour cream.
Yep. So we're gonna do 1 package softened at room temperature of cream cheese. Let's get that rolling. Okay, and dump that right in the bowl. Another easy, family-friendly recipe for all ages to make. So easy and simple.
Yep, because there is no oven kind of hot material
Nope.
that you have to make it with.
Yeah, how's that going for you? And then we are going to use a mixer when we get to that point, a little hand mixer, but you could muscle it up and just use your spatula too. So you don't even have to, I mean, it can be very low tech for sure. Okay, we got our cream cheese in there. Yum.
Awesome.
Excellent. And then we're going to do a cup or 8 ounces of sour cream.
Sour cream.
Again, Morgan mentioned that the author calls for mayo, but we're gonna get a little crazy here. Add a little sour cream instead. So we'll do the sour cream in there. Okay, what's next?
2 packets of ranch seasoning.
So we're gonna rip those open. Okay, there you go. And
Pour it in here?
just pour it right in. Yep. Can you smell the ranch dip?
Smells good. I don't know if you remember, but we also did a ranch Chex Mix.
Ranch Chex Mix. Yeah,
yes,
that's right.
See, we love our ranch, I guess.
Okay, next up, we grated 2 cloves of garlic.
Yes.
So if you want to just scoop that in there, get all that good tastiness. I'm going to grab...
If you're wondering where Duke is today, he's not currently here. We might see him later, though. You never know.
Possibly. Yep, he was feeling a little, speaking of energy, I think he was really feeling the big dip energy.
Yeah. Ooh, okay. I can really smell that ranch and garlic.
I know. So then it calls for 2 tablespoons of milk to thin it out. You can add more after you mixed. So we might end up adding more. We shall see. And then, a teaspoon of sugar. And I'm just envisioning all the different types of things you could dip in this.
Yeah.
Could do any kind of veggie, really, right?
Any kind of veggie. Could do chips, crackers, really anything I think would taste good.
Chicken wings for Super Bowl Sunday.
Yes.
That would be super tasty. Super duper. Morgan's loving me right now. 4 cranks of black pepper. Awesome. And then we're going to do 2 tablespoons of the everything bagel seasoning. Oh, you know what? It might be easier just take that whole top off, like unscrew it. I think you can just, pour it in there. It might come out fast. Looking good. How's that?
Pretty good.
Ready, 1. There's not a lot of math in this one, but a little bit of counting, right?
Yeah.
A little bit of measurements. All right.
Perfect.
Now, I think we got everything. So 1 package of cream cheese, 1 cup of sour cream, 2 packets of ranch seasoning, 2 garlic cloves grated, 2 tablespoons of milk, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and 4 cranks of black pepper, and 2 tablespoons of everything bagel seasoning. Okay, we're gonna mix it up. All right, you gonna do it? Press your, what do you call those fingers? Press them in there. There you go.
What do you want of that?
I think that's good. I mean, we can do it higher if we need to, but just kind of ease into it here.
It's like a good texture. It's pretty thick.
It's pretty thick, so we'll have to decide if we want to thin it out more. It was funny because I was reading what the author wrote about this, and she said she likes the thicker consistency to make sure you're actually eating a dip, not a salad dressing. It's an important distinction.
She needs to be done. I don't know what her deal is.
Do you want to crank it up maybe one notch? How are we doing? I don't think the bowl's going to go anywhere, so we're good. That looks tasty.
I'm ready to try it.
I know. Well, I love that this is so quick and easy. And again, like so many different ways you could do it. So if you get invited over to like a Super Bowl party at the last minute, you can throw this together. And like, it's not an expensive thing to make because you don't have to buy any weird ingredients.
I know, and I mean, we have most of these ingredients at home actually.
Oftentimes we do, yeah. So, yeah, that looks pretty good. I might, oh yeah. We'll show it up on camera here in just a second. I'm gonna get some of that in there. Oh, Morgs, that looks so good. Smell it. Mmm. Do you think it needs to be?
Ooh.
I don't know if I would thin it out more.
I think we're good.
Go like that. You want to show?
Yes.
Go for it.
There we go. We have, you can see the ranch like speckles, and it's white, and it's perfectly mixed.
And then if you get really creative, I'll turn around. This is what the author shows for little display there for football, Super Bowl Sunday.
That's super fun.
I know. We don't have an inflatable thing like that, but I think we should find one of those.
We should get one.
All right. We're going to try this with some just crackers. Oh, that smells, it's just like super aromatic.
I know.
All right, here we go. Dip it in for big dip energy.
Cheers.
Oh, I got a lot. Okay, ready?
Uh-huh.
Ah, cheers
again.
Ah.
Wow.
That's got some kick.
Mm-hmm.
Yum. What do you think? Is that a winner?
Really good. Weird.
Be really good with celery, cucumbers, peppers. Oh, I have carrots. Wait, we got to try it with carrots. Hang on.
Hold on. And I'll just show you one more time. It's nice and thick, but it's not too thin.
All right, who wants to try with a carrot? That's a big carrot. Here we go.
Cheers.
Cheers. Ah!
I love it with carrots.
Oh, it's really good with the carrots. All right. Oh, should we see if Duke wants to come down? He probably could have a little small sample. I'll be right back.
I'll keep you guys entertained.
Yeah, you tell him you need to go to your local library, right?
Yes. So there's many great books right now that are showing up at the library. New ones that have been there only a little bit, and old ones that have been there for a while. So go pick it up at your local library, wherever. And you can also get this cookbook and get this amazing ranch dip for the Super Bowl.
All right, guess who's here? It's the Dukester.
Oh.
Yo. Should we give him a carrot with some dip? Yeah. Okay. Hey. Oh, he's very excited. You think you can sit, buddy, for your treat?
Duke.
Oh.
Good for
Oh, boy. Sit. Hey. Duke, sit. You both took your whole hand off.
Wow.
All right, we're gonna move that dip out. It's like everywhere. Okay. Oh, he's gonna lick all of the.
Look at this dude.
Oh, you have dip all over your nose. Come here. Okay.
Anyways,
On that note.
thank you guys so much for watching, and hopefully we'll see you again soon. Not a super big break like we had last time.
No, but we'll be back in a couple
Yes.
months probably.
Yeah.
We keep busy, that's for sure, but come and visit us at the library. Check us out online at www.carverlive.org. or follow our Facebook page, Instagram, YouTube. We've got lots of awesome things happening. So
Duke is distracted right now, but he says
boy.
goodbye.
Yep, come here, bud.
And we'll see you again soon.
All right, see ya.
Bye.